Hello, Philippines yongla Tashi Canada France la ani sumju de sungji shuba ani misege Canada gi injike de tangwe kechimbush do serona
at 25 years old has never ever known a life in Tibet that was not under occupation. He has never known what it is like to live in a free Tibet. But he knows that it is possible. And he knows that he should be part of something to bring attention to the Tibetan cause, which is why he made the ultimate sacrifice of self-immolating to bring attention to the Tibetan cause. And I ask all of you today to make sure that we never forget the sacrifices that have been made by the Tibetans, and to make sure that his death is not just another number that we get used to. We cannot let any more young Tibetans lose their life in this fight. So us as Tibetans outside of Tibet, let us do everything we can to ensure that we are fighting every day for our Tibet. Thank you. Thank you, Bhuti.